Today marks 32 years since the blizzard of '93 blanketed East Tennessee with feet of snow. Meteorologist Cassie Nall shows us how people weathered that winter storm.
Today marks 32 years since the blizzard of '93 buried East Tennessee in snow. The storm of the century began as an intense low pressure system in the Gulf. On its path northward, that system created blizzard conditions in the southern Appalachian Mountains and wreaked havoc all the way up the eastern seaboard. The snow began to fall in East Tennessee on the evening of March 12th, and by the time it ended on the 14th, Knoxville measured 15.1 inches of snow, completely paralyzing travel across the region. The heavy snow also knocked out power across the area, and many people needed to be rescued after being stranded during the storm. At the highest elevations, the LeConte Lodge recorded 60 inches of snow. That is 5 feet. And thankfully, we haven't seen anything to this magnitude again since, but this is definitely one of the most memorable snowstorms in history here in East Tennessee.
And I remember it well. I spent 3 nights here at the station, during the days covering all the snow, and at nights trying to get a little bit of shut-eye before we started all over again the next day.